Hello great people, it's wonderful to meet you once again. In today's video we will understand 6 most common Excel errors and how we can fix these errors. Before move on to data, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. So first error is hash error. This error appears when column width in Excel is not enough to show stored data in a cell. Here see, we will type is equal to, now bracket open and close and press enter. See this error. And now resolve this problem, simply expand the column width. Second error is name error. This error is displayed when we misspell the function name. As you see, data is given and we want to sum the data. So is equal to, for sum you just type SU, bracket open, give range and bracket close and press enter. So as we press the enter, name error will appear. But how we can resolve this error? Simply we use correct sum spelling and give range and press enter. Third error is value error. This error appears when we use wrong data type for a function or formula. For instance, we want to sum of these three values. As you sum, error will appear. And simple solution to resolve this problem is to only sum the numbers. Don't incorporate text reference. Number 4 is Devian error. This error appears when we one value divide by 0, as you see on screen. But resolve this error, simply we will replace the 0 with any number. Fifth error name is null error. This error appears when we forget to separate two cell reference correctly. Then you shall receive this error, and we will add proper comma between two cell reference. Then we will get the desired result without any error. The last but not least, sixth error name is reference error. When formula contains some incorrect cell reference, then you shall see a reference error. This mainly happens when you delete any row or column. As you see the data, we have calculate some of these cells, but if we delete any row, reference error will appear. इस वीडियो को देखने का आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा.